everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. So you know I live and travel in my RV, so that means that I'm not going to decorate for holidays, but I do have this little, it's probably a 12-inch tree that I put up for Halloween, and I make my ornaments and change them out every year. So this is this year's edition. So obviously it's got sort of a pink and sherbet orange color going on with it. I picked up these files from PixieDustFiles on Etsy, and I'm making several projects with it. The video came out earlier this week of a tag album I made using these files. But these are my rosette ornaments, and I'm not going to do a tutorial, but I am going to tell you how I did them. And I also do have other videos from last year showing you how I made them last year. So let me just show you. These are the ornaments. We'll go through them. So this one has, it's got sort of a orangey mauve background. I've got a scallop that I punched out of glitter paper, and then the butterfly. The fabulous thing about this is her antennas even were cut with my Cricut. Isn't that amazing? It usually doesn't happen that way. But anyhow, lots of detail on the butterfly. Here's another butterfly, same way. I'll tell you all about the rosettes and the patterns in just a second. This one is fun. I'm not sure if I guess it's a bug with big antennas and just really creepy. Love the flower. So this is popped up on a glitter circle, and you can see I added glitter around the outside after I had inked and embossed with black embossing powder. That one, what makes it fun is just the pumpkin is fabulous, but I did do a little nest of some metallic string. This one, I mean, the star of the show is obviously the flower with the eyeball or whatever that is. But I did add some fun fur, popped it up, did an orange circle below, and then of course you can see um, it was pink to start, but it's inked up. This one is heavily embossed with gold and rose gold, and they added glitter to it on the outside, and then just cut the flower and added the flower to that. This one has several layers. First of all, I embossed black, then added some glitter, and it's glitter and paint. It's from Deco Art. It's just a glitter paint. It's not a glitter glue. Um, I'll show you in a second. And then I took this image, put it down, added a glitter scallop circle, and then cut that same image out of another one and popped it up. I added a little bat to the corner to go with the bat on the teapot. Anyhow, it's just popped up several times. I'm turning off my autofocus. I added a couple of elements that I cut out on my Cricut from the collection. This I hand cut out and put on string. And then there were some of these labels, and these were fun just to put on the tree in different places. So that is what I have. I'm going to show you really quick how I made the rosettes. Get that out of the way. Because you can see these are all different colors. I really just used two different color cardstock. I used this, let me grab it. No, I don't know, mauve color. And then I add a pink. Well, I had this pink cardstock and I added some orange. So what I did is I just put the paper out. Oops. Just like that. I grabbed another piece of cardstock and just inked. I just made stripes and inked. Like that has gray and then orange and then another orange. I took the edge of it. And then once you fold it, and I also had made a file for my Cricut, a cut file to score this. I mean, you could use your scoreboard, but I find if I use the scoring tool on my Cricut, I get a little thinner line, and you can see where this is going. You can make a really nice rosette with that, or go the other direction and go like that. And then of course, if you ink up the edges, it adds something else to it, like that's inked. And then of course, embossed and glitter is added. Grab that glitter. It's called Galaxy Glitter from Deco Art. Heavily loaded glitter acrylic. This one is the Champagne Stardust. It's got gold and silver and rose gold all mixed in, and they're different size specs, so it creates a nice little look. And then after all said and done, and I put my elements on, and here you can see there's a couple of different layers. I just added some string to the back with some hot glue, and there we go. I mean, really simple and easy, but I mean, aren't they fabulous? You can get a lot of great designs. And a video I did last year shows me going through my stash. Maybe this was the pink I used, I don't know. And using up items from my stash, and that's how I got rid of a lot of stuff that had been in my stash for a while. So then I decorated the tree. I'll show you. It looks really sad without the ornaments, but I added yellow arms, yellow, orange pom-pom, black pom-pom, this gorgeous black and white stripe. My daughter calls it Beetlejuice ribbon. And then some pink pom-poms just to add, you know, it's a Dollar Tree tree. So just to add a little more fullness to the tree, and then I put my ornaments on it. So I have another project coming up using these rosettes and other features from the Pixie Dust Files. Go ahead and check her out on Etsy. Really fabulous stuff. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.